Konnichiwa, minasan konnichiwa. Watashi no mae wa Jana Roboto si Arasawa best cream desu. In English, hello, good day everyone. My name is Jan Albert C. Arasawa, best cream 3B. Watashi wa Kodishi Nigorosoko Dishintaro Sushi Denso ga Gensai Escorante Ichi ni Taizai Shiteru Koto Ishite imasu. In English, I'm from Cadiz City, Negros Occidental, but now I'm currently staying at Escalante City. Watashi wa Philippine de Omare, Philippine ito desu. Watashi wa Nensuki Nichi Omare no sai desu. In English, I was born in the Philippines and I am a Filipino. I was born on October 20, 2002 and I am 21 years old. Watashi wa no Ryoshin wa Orobero to pi Orosowa to Nenpasi Orosowa desu. My parents are Alberto P. Arsowa and Nenpasi Arsowa. Sorone wa watashi na Norijan si Orosowa to inamai wa Noto gaimasu. In English, and also I do have a younger brother whose name is Norijan C. Arsowa. Watashi wa no kosoto dageko no nense de hasai gakko no ragiko sho shotoko shite imasu. In English, I'm a third-year student of Donescos College with a course of Bachelor of Science in Criminology. Nihongo manabogiku watashi tachi no insutorakuta wa Ferdinando Sensei wa. In English, a Japanese language student, and our instructor is Ferdinand Turbano Sensei. Watashi no shumai wa Mobero Gome o Sorokoda desu. Sore wa watashi o tanoshimashite koroishui. Tanoshikara desu. O ikaw kano wa mogotoya jibun no kanjo o kyurosuru jinsei ni o ite oko no kyoke no ataite korete. Yaruki o kasa serokara desu. Jinsei no tabai wo tsukara dimasu. In English, my hobby are playing mobile games because it makes me entertain and it is fun. And drawing because it is my way to emphasize things and my feelings. I'm also watching anime because it gives me a lot of lesson in life and it motivates me to continue on my journey in life. Watashi no sukinatabaimono wa sushi, tofu, tempura, ramen, sashimi desu. Batoko kanbando o enamai wa no inomakate imasu. Watashi no sukinairu wa shiro to koro desu. Dakara watashi ga itsumo koro to shiro no fuko i kiteiru no merariru desu. Mata okiri no riichita habiko no hainuyama. Sai no jensei dumai aimasho nado no nihon no darima o mero o mo suki desu nazerana. Nihon no darima o mero to inspiration ga waki konichiro karadimasu. In English, my favorite food are sushi, tofu, tempura, ramen, and sashimi. I also have a dog pet whose name is Bart and Kambang. My favorite color is black and white. That's why you always see me wearing black and white. I also like to watch Japanese dramas such as Accidentally in Love, The Bride of Habeck, See You in My 19th Life, and etc. Because watching Japanese drama makes me inspired and in love. Nihon wa yo ibunkai o motsuyu hebo tobe ga sonde eta busho desu. In English, Japanese is a place where good people with a good culture live. Sutsuguro shitara konin hansai gakushine naru tame no shike no okete susho hitari konzoko hanase o tetsudai. Genbon jishin ya kozako o kizoku mai ni jibon no bijinoso o tachi ageka o tatero koto ga dekoro yo ni naramimasu. In English, when I graduate, I will take the board exam to become a licensed criminologist. And when I get a job, I will help my family in giving them prosperity, and I will build my own business and be able to build a house before building of oneself or family. Mochido minasan, watashi wa Jan Orobato si Orosades. Jibon o shiniji nakireba jinsei wa muzukashito imasu. In English, once again everyone, I am John Albert C. Arsoa saying that life is hard if you will not believe in yourself. Thank you.